Today, we're unboxing this total industrial tool suitcase. A portable toolbox setup that's perfect for DIY, but also great for professionals. Let's open it and see what you actually get inside. First impression, strong aluminum case, clean layout, everything strapped down. Multiple layers plus tools stored in the lid section. This kind of suitcase is ideal for the garage, the car, or a job site. Let's go layer by layer. In the top area, you've got quick access tools and small accessories. Everything has its own slot, so you instantly notice if something is missing. That's a huge plus for organization and fast work. Here you can see the cutters and small hand tools. This wire cutter did not come with the suitcase. I added it myself. I also added a few extra tools to make this kit more realistic for real jobs. Moving on to the middle section, you can already tell this is designed as an all-in-one starter kit. Here's the small cutter that came inside the case with spare blades. Useful. But later I upgraded it with a stronger metal total cutter. Now let's check the socket section, the mechanical heart of the case. Ratchet, extensions, adapters, everything you need for bolts and nuts. Perfect for cars, furniture, and general repairs. This metal total cutter I added is much tougher and safer for heavy use. Inside the small accessory box, I also added total bits. Originally, they weren't included. Now the suitcase supports many more screw types. I added electrical tape, a pencil, and a sharpener too, because on real jobs you always need marking and quick fixes. PRO, the case is well organized and easy to carry. PRO, many core tools in one compact suitcase. Con, like most mixed kits, some tools are light duty compared to pro workshop gear, but for DIY and home repairs, it's more than enough. Another section shows more pliers and utility tools. I also added a total wire stripper. The case already had another one. Now I have two types for different cable jobs. Let's check the wrench section. You've got European sizes, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 17, and 19. But something important was missing, the 13mm wrench. In Europe, 13mm is essential, so I added it myself. I also added cable ties, extremely useful for organization and quick repairs. And thanks to the wheels, transporting this suitcase is super easy. Overall, this is a very practical tool suitcase for any DIY ER. With a few smart upgrades, it becomes even better. If you want more Total tools on this channel, comment Total. And hey, subscribe to Mr. Eaglestone. More tool battles are coming.